Good morning, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. This is hive number 505. It is October the 12th, about 12 o'clock, cloudy and humid. Let's see what they're doing today. Now we were in this one on 10-4, which has been, 8 days. Not as much time as I really care to give some of these bees sometime. So people says, oh, check them every 2 weeks. Sometimes you check them every 2 weeks, you don't get anything. Maybe they've done made a queen and go. Maybe the beetles are taken care of. That's one beetle. I like going through them at least about every 10 days, if possible. This is one with nectar. This side has nectar and pollen. Outside frame, we have nectar throughout the whole thing. This is pollen. So they're having a little honey flow right now, which is good. Goldenrod is out. They're blooming. I've talked to some people and they say, well, we got goldenrod, but I've never seen a bee on it. Plants has different times when they have the nectar in it, the pollen and all this stuff. And the bees know when that is. And that's when they go out. This one is loaded with nectar, has a little honey at the top. Same thing on that side. Make sure y'all can see this. Yeah. But that one's laid up with nectar. And they haven't had any food because I didn't give them any food, so they bring in pure honey or pure nectar to make honey out of. Little beetles. This is their pollen patty that I give them that they eat to help them raise baby bees in case there's no pollen out here, or maybe there's only one kind of pollen out here. That's what we had all summer. Beetle trap, no beetles. This one has brood, eggs, larvae. Well, this one is, they're building out here. This is all nectar, honey, babies, eggs, brood down here. There's a little pollen thing falling off. There we go. This one's the same thing. It has eggs. I'm looking for the queen, folks. I don't want to squish nobody. There we go. But we have brood, eggs down here. We have nectar up here and honey. This is all honey. Well, that's a good frame. We're going to see if we can't make this at once. This one's laid out. There's the queen right here. That's on the outside frame. She's looking for a place to lay. We don't want to squish her. There we go. So we know where the queen's at. She got eggs and she's laying. She has brood. She has stores. She has no beetles. I'm sure there's beetles in there. It's kind of like my dog, where my dog's in it. Say my dog ain't got no fleas after being washed. We got fleas. Oh, that's a pretty good weight to it. Then here on the bottom. May need to put them in another, well, we may need to put these in a bigger box. Maybe a double 8. Make sure y'all can see this one.
Yep.
This is big cells over here, which is where the brood or the goldenrod. These little cells is where the babies was hatched out, and they'll put honey in them. We got a little spot of honey right there. And clean it up against the hive that it came out of. No beetles. Excuse me, girls. Let me set this right here. Bottom is clean. We have some brood here, honey up here. This could have eggs in it, probably doesn't. We don't have any sun right now. Well, we do because it's tiny. But we have clouds. This one has nectar and pollen. Nectar and pollen off. Here's a little girl bringing in her pollen. This is part of that wax that we knocked from the top or from the side. This one has brood. This one has brood and larvae and more brood and nectar on that one. And more on that side. No, they're pollen that we gave them last time. This side here is a honey frame because of the way the cells are. These are all big cells. So they can't put eggs in it, so they'll have to put honey. You see people walking around up there with pollen. But bottle clean, bees are good, bees are healthy. Hopefully she'll go down. That or else we can leave this like this and just put them in another box on. Push them all to one side. Bring them back to the middle. A little dab of pollen. Put their beetle thing back in. Take the bees off so you don't squish them. And put them all back together. And that's 5:05. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe, and even share if you like. Y'all have a great day. Bye.